guys, it's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I have one child down with the flu. So I thought I would kind of lead you through what we do when we have a sick child, because what we want to do is nip it in the bud so the other four don't get sick. If someone feels sick, at the first sign of illness, you just do a dropper under the tongue, or 3 droppers. Now, once someone gets the flu, it's a little trickier because now they're feeling nauseous, their head hurts, they're weak, they're tired, they don't want to take anything that orally. So today I'm just going to lead you through, and maybe several videos on how I go about a sick child. Okay, so welcome to my lab. Get a little bowl and ginger, and you can take your carrot peeler and peel off the outside with a carrot peeler. Next, you want a micro grater or any kind of grater, cheese grater. Just trust me, it's about a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, so I keep on hand my pink Himalayan sea salt, the electrolytes, they're sweating them. Here, I have my stir. Now, if you don't have stir, you're good. Just do stevia, and you'll do a couple of drops of like orange lemon essential oil. It'll make it taste awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna do stevia. Just gonna stir it. Just get everything kind of blended a little bit together. Lemon, squeeze, mix in there. See how easy that was? Homemade ginger ale sounds hard. It takes a minute. Now, if you have Schweppes on hand or just soda water on hand, when the kids were younger, I kept all of this stuff on hand. I actually kept ginger ale made. If you want to make it ahead of time and ferment it so it'll last for a long time, you can grate a whole like half pound, tiny bit in the bottom. Now, I have already done my soda stream. See the soda stream? And I don't know if you can see it, but on the back is my little tiny carbon water Energizer bunny thing. I haven't made this in so long that I'm a little out of practice. So here's my carbonated water. Oh, so good. Great. So this is the easy ginger ale. Oh, so delish. Taste it yourself. Just make sure you like the taste. I like it pretty sweet, and I like it pink. So I'm gonna do a little more stir. Now the ginger goes to the bottom. So those first 2 or 3 sips, they're gonna get a lot of ginger. You see it on the bottom. So before you hand it to them, just stir. Hand it to them, make them take a sip, and then put it next to the bed. Okay, so if you're the mom and you just had the throw up virus, make yourself some of this. It is so good. Ginger will help you overcome any stomach thing in no time flat. You'll be back on your feet. Get as much ginger drinking in as you can. If you have the throat virus, the first thing I give the kids is a ginger drink or a ginger candy, and I have them take a couple sips. If they can stomach those sips for an hour, then do more sips until they can drink a whole cup of it. Enjoy making your own ginger ale. Feel empowered as a mother. You don't have to leave the house. You have something on hand that will calm their stomach. If they can take an activated charcoal tablet, that's even better. We do not need diarrhea here. Take your activated charcoal, drink your ginger ale, and in an hour, you will feel like a totally different person. Now, I have one over here. She's blowing her nose. She has flu symptoms, but they're not so bad. She's been taking echinacea, so they're not so bad that she's really gotten a bad case of it. So what I'm trying to get her to do is go ahead and drink the ginger ale. We don't want nausea at all. We don't even want it to come. So she's drinking the ginger ale, watching a movie, and then she has her castor oil pack on. Now, the next video, we're gonna do the 3-part flu season videos. The next video, I will talk about the castor oil pack. We do not want saran wrap, so I'll be talking about that. All right, people, enjoy your ginger ale. Feel awesome, feel good, get to feeling better. And if you are an exercise buff, this is awesome homemade Gatorade. This is what I use for Gatorade. It's so much better. It tastes better. You look younger, longer with ginger in your system. So awesome. Go get some ginger. We'll be back for your next video, which is castor oil. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.